Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Deadlock in Valorant. Deadlock is a formidable sentinel agent designed to lock down areas and gather crucial information. Her unique set of abilities allows her to disrupt enemy pushes, secure sites, and isolate targets, making her an invaluable asset for any team. We'll cover her full kit and strategies to maximize her impact in your matches. Let's dive into Deadlock's basic abilities. GravNet is a throwable grenade that slows enemies significantly, reducing their movement speed by 50%. It's perfect for stopping rushes or cutting off rotations. Her sonic sensor detects sound, revealing enemies who make noise within its radius. Place these strategically to gain early warnings and prevent flanks, giving your team a crucial advantage. Next up is Deadlock's signature ability, Barrier Mesh. This creates a 4-segment, cross-shaped wall that completely blocks enemy movement. Each segment boasts 800 health points, making it quite durable. Use it to funnel enemies into predictable angles, cut off their rotations, or secure a planted spike. It's a powerful tool for controlling the flow of a round and dictating engagements. Finally, let's talk about Deadlock's ultimate ability, Annihilation. This powerful pulse fires forward, cocooning the first enemy it hits. If the cocooned enemy isn't freed by their teammates within a few seconds, they are eliminated. It costs 7 ultimate points and is perfect for securing a crucial pick, clearing a site, or breaking through a stubborn defense. Master this to turn the tide of any round.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.